Hello everybody, my name's Clayton, and I've actually never formally introduced myself. I know my first video that I put out kind of was an introduction, but I wanted to actually introduce myself, who I am, what I do, why I'm doing this, why dividends, and basically everything along those lines. It'll be a short video today, but I kind of want to put this out there just so people know who I am. So again, my name's Clayton. I am a 30-year-old male. I am married. Me and my wife have been together now for 3 years. Yes, almost 4 years. We have a 21-year-old son. And for me, I really wanted to start investing to build towards the future of our family, to get a passive income that can generate us money month to month, that can help us with bills, and then obviously as it grows, kind of use when we retire to help as a secondary income away from anything else that we may have when it comes to Social Security or things like that. I didn't want to rely on those services, and I wanted to build something from scratch for myself, for me, my family, and everyone that's close to me. So again, that was kind of the gist of why I started investing. It took me a long time to start investing. I was always afraid and nervous because all you ever hear about in movies and TV shows is how much the stock market ruins people's lives. And I'm not saying that it doesn't. I've heard many stories, especially a family story, that it had done this to. But what I learned is through the correct research and understanding, there are a lot of ways to mitigate the risks that you hear about or that you see. And to me, that is why I created a portfolio that strictly thrives and focuses on dividends, because the consistent changing of the Dow is something that I couldn't keep up with, and it would stress me out beyond belief every day watching my accounts just go up and down, and some days losing 200, some days gaining 200, as we just saw with the Tesla. It went up to 900, then it fell down to, I think it was like 730, 740. For me, that would eat me up inside, just seeing that stock every day and tracking it every day. So I want to do something that was a little bit safer. I know a lot of people are not huge fans of dividends because they feel that there's many other ways to make more income. And I'm not disagreeing with that, but again, for me, this is the safest bet, and this is why I do it. In my last video, if you had watched it, I briefly said that I made something around 50 cents. Well, I made the video literally a day too short, because I'm actually up to $5.88. Again, nothing huge when it comes to dividend payouts, but my point is, as I stated in the last video, it'll slowly and continue to grow day after day, month after month, year after year. And that's what I'm striving for. I'm not striving to retire in 5 years or 10 years. This is a future plan for my future and for my kids and the rest of my family. So again, I just want to make this introduction video, an official introduction video explaining who I am, what I do, what I do as a career is I live here in Florida, and I am an HR manager / work with the accounting department / pretty much a jack of all trades when it comes to the company I work for. And it's a great company. I enjoy what I do. But that I want to just introduce myself to you guys so you guys knew who I was, again, what I do. And for anyone that ever has any questions about dividends specifically, please feel free to leave me a comment or send me a message on Facebook or Reddit if you've found me through there. And I'll gladly answer anything you may have. Again, dividends to me is the safest bet, and with the family I have and the income that I can put into my portfolio, I want the safest returns that I can have. And yes, I know you can do Vanguard and there's some ETFs that you could go that route, but I do like to do my own research and put money into specific companies, which is what I'm doing. And yeah, that's really the gist of who I am and why I do this. And I look forward to interacting with anyone that watches these videos or anyone that feels like interacting, be it thumbs up, thumbs down, along those lines. It's going to be an enjoyable ride for me, and I hope you enjoy the ride and come along with me. If you'd like to, hit the subscribe button, drop a like, help us reach a few more people. But if not, thank you for watching, and you guys have a great day.